you're a new coach, consultant, or course creator. So should you already start paying for ads to grow your audience or stick with the classic organic methods? When's the right time to start running ads? I'm Claire Pelletreau, a Facebook and Instagram ad consultant and educator, and this is the big question that I get in my email inbox, in my DMs, pretty much everywhere. People want to know whether or not they're ready to start running Facebook ads. Now, I always start off by asking a bunch of questions like, have you sold something yet? How many people do you have on your existing audience? And if you're wondering the same thing, just let me know the answers to that in the comments below. But really, this is what it always boils down to. You can grow your audience by spending money on ads or by spending time on the organic stuff. So what are the organic channels? Let's quick review. SEO, which basically means blogging and trying to rank high on Google. YouTube or things like this, where you're putting out content, you're hoping people find you, click on the links in the description and head over to your site, get on your list. There's social media posting. Pinterest is another one. Those are pretty much the big ones. So in the beginning of my business, and this is what I saw a lot of my friends do too, we used blogging especially, or YouTube. This channel actually started back in 2014, and it really worked. I was able to rank high, I got clients, I grew my list, it was amazing. I'm still doing organic marketing methods today, like this video, but it's a much harder slog in order to see real results from it. I'm going to be honest with you. I write a blog post now, and I'm competing with very big blogs who have higher rankings than I do on Google, so it is tough to get on the front page. Absolutely a slog, right? But I'm still doing it because I know that the quality of traffic is really good. Same with YouTube. So I'm definitely spending time on these marketing channels. But the one thing that I always have going on in the background is paid ads. Why? Because I can get leads on my list and sales coming in round the clock with like one piece of content that I worked hard on once and now it's doing the work for me. I have a podcast and I hate posting on Instagram all the bloody time because I don't actually see a big return on investment from that time. Because remember, doing the organic work does cost me time. And if my team is involved, then it sure does cost me money, right? But when I had a couple podcast episodes that people went crazy over, I turned around and I put money behind those episodes because that's how my audience and my listenership would grow without me doing a single Instagram post. And because of some ads that I have on my podcast, that's money I see coming back to me. I actually talk about that in a Facebook ad training that I have. It's clarepels.com/5 ads video. You can sign up for it there and see exactly how I am making money off of my podcast ads, among others. But whenever my friends or my students come to me and they say, so I have this brand new funnel, I set it up, I'm thinking about using YouTube or JV webinars or whatever, I'm like, stop. Put money behind ads, get yourself 100 or 200 people into that funnel and see if you can make sales. Because what if your ads work perfectly and you don't really have to work on the organic marketing, or you just do what you want instead of constantly feeling like you're on that content creation hamster wheel? That's what ads have let me do. Step off of the hamster wheel, take massive breaks from really working on marketing in my business, and still bring in leads and sales every single week. So you need to ask yourself, if you're wondering, am I ready for Facebook ads? It doesn't really matter if you have the sales funnel in place or, the blog posts or the perfect site. What you need to decide is whether or not you want to pay for information about whether or not your services, your packages, your courses are a good fit for the audience that you want, you're going to have to figure that out either by spending money on ads to get eyeballs on it to see if you get sales, or you're going to have to spend time to do all the content marketing, to wait for your list to grow organically, which I believe that it will, but it could take you a year to get the data that you could get in a month by running ads. So it's up to you. Do you have money to spend on that information, or do you have time to spend? I would love to know about you and your business and whether or not you're spending time or money on marketing in the comments below. And if you like this video and you want to make sure to get others about Facebook and Instagram ads, what's changing in that platform, because you know they're changing everything all the time, make sure you subscribe. I will see you in the next video.